In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Light Theme with Google Flights 2026, step by step. If you prefer a bright, high contrast look while you search for flights, or you simply want the interface to match your daytime workspace, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where the theme control lives and how to turn on light mode. Start by opening your favorite browser and going to Google Flights. You can type the address directly into the bar, and the page will load into the familiar Flights dashboard. This is the home screen with the from and to fields, the date selectors, filters like stops and bags, and often a map preview of prices. Give the page a moment to finish loading so all the controls appear and the header icons render properly. Once you're on the dashboard, shift your attention to the very top right of the screen. That corner is where Google places quick access controls. You may see your account avatar, a help icon, and, importantly for this task, a small sun-shaped icon. It can be easy to miss at first because it sits alongside other icons and blends into the header. So take a second to scan that area and make sure you're looking at the far right edge of the header bar. Click the sun icon. This is the appearance control. Hovering over it typically shows a label like appearance or theme, and clicking opens a small menu that lets you choose how Google Flights looks. The appearance menu usually offers options such as System Default, Dark Theme, and Light Theme. System follows your computer or device setting, while Dark gives you a low light interface suitable for evenings or dim environments. For a bright, clean look, select Light Theme. The change applies immediately across the page. Backgrounds switch to light, text contrast increases, and cards and panels adopt a lighter style so details stand out. You don't need to refresh. The setting takes effect right away and is remembered the next time you open Google Flights in the same browser. This makes it easy to keep your interface consistent every time you plan a trip. If you don't see the sun icon, try maximizing your window or waiting for the page to finish fetching results. On smaller screens, some controls compress and can momentarily hide. Also keep in mind that if appearance is set to system, your device's dark mode will override the site until you explicitly choose light. Selecting Light Theme ensures Google Flights stays bright, regardless of your system preference. That's it. You've enabled the Light Theme in Google Flights. If you ever want to switch back, click the same sun icon and pick Dark or System. Enjoy browsing flights with a brighter, easier to read interface.